Sometimes people joke about the Department of Energy consisting of silos of excellence, and that's not going to work. Through the Clean Energy Manufacturing Initiative, we really work to break down those silos.
Much of what we work on is trying to reduce the cost of renewables and other clean energy supplies, and part of reducing the cost is to make them manufacturable. My job, it's intended to find ways to bring together all the talented people we have working across the science and engineering disciplines to make a difference in the way we supply energy cleanly to the world around us.
You can't separate product innovation from manufacturing innovation. In fact, designing things requires that you also know how to make things, and making things is hard.
Most recently, we're working very closely with the Advanced Manufacturing Office. We've joined forces to look at how do we reflect upon the innovations that they've developed, particularly in 3D manufacturing, and bring it to the renewable energy space.
From the AMO office perspective, our job is to partner with industry, partner with academics, partner with national laboratories, so that they can wind up working together to develop those technologies and getting them out there as fast as possible.
The Department of Energy has placed an emphasis on manufacturing because it's core to our U.S. competitiveness, and it's also tied to innovation both in the product and technology space. In the manufacturing side, there's innovation that allows you to design things that you couldn't have otherwise.
The Department of Energy has been working in the areas of energy and manufacturing literally since the formation of the department. What we've really focused on, though, over the last 4 to 8 years is how we can really drive advanced technology and the role of innovation in manufacturing. But also how we wind up developing technologies for the manufacturing and the cost-effective manufacturing of new products that are enabled and are used in the energy sector. So how do we wind up developing new technologies for advanced vehicles, for advanced fuel cells, the manufacturing of solar cells, the manufacturing of new biorenewable chemicals. Really looking across the board at those platform enabling technologies for the manufacturing of things in the energy sector, as well as the efficient use of energy in the manufacturing of things.
Manufacturing is the way you turn science and engineering into something that somebody can use. You can see that in the reductions in prices that we've had for things like solar and wind and batteries. There's room for everybody to contribute as we think about how to provide the clean energy the world needs, and at the same time do it in a way that makes economic sense.
The United States, whenever faced with a challenge, winds up innovating our way forward. That's what we're good at. How do we wind up using technology to innovate forward as fast as possible?
Winning the clean energy race is so important for the United States. Someone's going to drive the millions of jobs and trillions of dollars of economic activity that is going to occur through this global transition to a clean energy economy in the decades ahead. If we can do that together, it will be a bright future for our country.